In this video, we will learn how to connect a single-phase electric meter and distribution, board wiring from the electric pole step by step. You will understand complete wiring from the pole to meter, main switch, MCB, and load circuit in full detail. This video is very helpful for beginners and electricians who want to learn single-phase meter and DB, wiring in a simple way, safety tips for home wiring. Support us. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe to DK Technical Channel for more electrical wiring tutorials. Let's reach 2 million views together.